The beach was nearly empty that morning except for a few stray seagulls scavenging for leftover chips and crumbs. Suddenly, a sharp object came hurtling through the air, sailing past the birds before landing in the surf with a splash. One seagull cocked his head, staring at the mysterious projector bubbling in the waves. It was a calculator. April 14th is National Snow Calculator at Seagull Day, a peculiar unofficial holiday with an even more bizarre origin story. Legend has it the day was invented in 1976 by a frustrated mathematician trying to solve a complex equation. Distracted by the squawking seagulls outside, he threw his calculator out of the window in a moment of madness. His outburst inspired mathematical mischief makers everywhere. This quirky celebration highlights the strange and humorous side of mathematics. Despite its absurd premise, the holiday reminds us not to take ourselves too seriously and find moments of levity, even in the most logical of disciplines. The fact that the objects of the seagulls' airborne torment are calculators, symbols of math itself, adds ironic twist. Those who observe this Yankee Day, especially students, celebrate by creatively catapulting their calculators. Some build elaborate contraptions to launch the devices high and far. Others organize calculator-tossing contests to see who can get the greatest distance or hit selective aerial targets. A few actually try to pelt the seagulls, though most shy away from the direct bird bombardment. After 45 years, National Snow Calculator at Seagull Day lives on as an eccentric tradition reminding us of the value of play. Mathematicians can have a sense of humor too, even if expressed through acts of minor rebellion using their own tools. Though the reasoning behind this bizarre observance may forever remain as elusive as the solution to that apocryphal equation, it brings some fun-loving calculations to the month of April. The next time you're at the beach and see a calculator in the surf, don't be alarmed. It's probably in honor of the hallowed holiday for computing device-wield pranksters and bird-pestering math nuts everywhere. Let the calculator's quacking seagull wars continue for another absurd, illogical year. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Slow Calculator at Seagull Day. Cheers!